$18.96. My God. Henry Ford's first car, a replica of it.
For the recycle.
Impossible is nothing. Now my job is to keep the gas on until John tells me so. Okay, John, enough. That one goes with the... Good, good. Hope you liked it, guys. We promised to show you one working. So from that abandoned machine to one just like the same working now. Thanks to John Hili and his museum of machinery here. The flywheel alone weighs 1 ton, 70 kilos. That's heavy, eh? When I was trying to turn it, it's heavy. Well done, John. John, what are these?
These are all steam.
Steam engines?
Steam engines, steam pumps. These are pumps.
Okay.
From their engines. It's an Orovo.
And what were you telling me about that one, John?
That one I changed the crankcase door.
Yes?
To perspex.
He changed this one to perspex so he could see.
So that you could see it working inside.
Good. And you're fixing lights as well?
الرجل تطفله بس it's like LEDs.
Good.
I bought some LED bulbs to put inside there. So that you could see it working.
Good, John. What's this one, John?
Steam engine.
Steam engine.
Steam engine, water pump, that's it.
And how old is this one?
1910.
1910. My God.
Oh, there's it.
From Goldro as well. The eldest machine John has here is that one. How old is that, John?
1896.
1896. My God. And what's that used for? What was that?
That thing there is the oil dropper.
Oil dropper, okay.
It drops oil. This one turns with the camshaft.
Okay.
There inside, you have this turning with a piece of wire, and each time it turns one turn, this wire picks up some oil from the bottom and puts it on this shaft.
Okay.
It drains down into the piston.
My goodness.
That's an oil pump of 1896. By the
Amazing.
way, dik għamilta ġdida, dim tajjin kollha.
This guy is a genius.
Dik kienet nieqsa.
Well, what's the manufacturer of this one, John?
Alfdugel and Sons, Leeds.
Leeds, from Leeds, England as well. John is telling me that all you see here are stationary engines, John, right? Am I right?
No engines from cars or trucks or anything.
Everything stationary here.
Everything is stationary. It's a magazine for stationary engine collectors.
Collectors.
It's worldwide distribution,
Good.
and I write articles in
You write articles. Is there any one of yours in that one?
John Hili, Malta.
Hili, yes, John. What's that one? How
Those are, here it's Malta dry docks.
Yes,
in
good.
Malta this is, and those are submarine engines
Okay.
from First World War.
Okay.
I was asking for information.
Because you were working at, well, what was your job, John?
Engine fitter.
Engine fitter in the Malta dry docks, no?
The Malta dry docks.
John has another article on this book. What about it, John? What can you tell us? What can you tell
It's a
us?
pressure gauge with dual needles.
Okay. Thanks, John, for your invite here. It was a heaven for us machinery lovers. For all those foreigners who come over for a holiday when all this pandemic is over, they can contact John.
Welcome to come and visit.
He's inviting you over, or contact him, or on his email. We will be leaving the details below this vlog. Send him an email or a message or something, and he will be eagerly welcoming you over this museum. John, what about these pictures you are showing me? You see this? What's this, John?
That is a replica, full-size replica of Ford's first car. Henry Ford's first car.
Henry Ford's first car, a replica of it.
Ford quadricycle. It's
My
called.
goodness. And what are those, John?
This is the engine at the back.
My goodness. More photos.
Kollox ħdimt jien dan.
Everything made.
Dik il-flywheel fi 40 kilo.
My
From
goodness.
scratch, scratch bil, ta' wara qed għada. 3 snin xogħol,
3 years working on this project. Well done, John,
Timing years.
Here you can see the original Henry Ford car, clutch, and this is the replica John did himself. Right, John? Look to the details. This is the original one, and this is the replica. John made. One last message you would like to leave us, John.
I'm trying to make awareness of our industrial heritage.
We have a lot of industrial heritage. no?
Yes, we do have a lot, especially the waterworks department. There are enough engines there to make a big museum by themselves.
And even the ones
apart from here, from this.
This is a museum in its own, So there is no museum
there are nothing.
at the moment.
Nothing, no.
So maybe we can pass a message to the government. John is a legend here. He has a lot of machinery which were scrapped here and there in factories,
broken to pieces.
missing parts, and he gave them back to life.
Get them back to working.
Yes, thanks very much, John. Thanks for following. Keep on following our vlogs and subscribe. Until next time.
So how sleep?